welcome to the Ann and Ashley Show. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Ann.
And today we are going to be talking about some healthy treat options. So we came up with 2 different treats that would be a great option if you're going somewhere for the holidays or a gathering in general throughout the year. But before we get started, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the alert button if you're watching this on YouTube. So Ann, tell us about the cookie that you have a recipe for.
Okay, so these are chocolate chip cherry cookies. So the cherries add a nice little flavor and color boost for the holidays, but you can certainly make these without the cherries if you want. Just very simple ingredients. First we have a 1.25 cups of almond flour, and then I've got that measured out already. And it is, let's see, I forget, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Dumping that in there. And then we have 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And then 2 teaspoons of water. Oh wait, that's going to go in with the dry ingredients, and then the wet ingredients go separately. So the water, I already have 1/8 cup of coconut oil in here. So 1/8 cup of coconut oil, the 2 teaspoons of water, and then this is 1/4 cup of pure organic maple syrup. So this is your sweetener, healthy sweetener. Dump that in there. And then you mix the wet ingredients together. Mix the dry ingredients just prior to joining them all. So we're gonna do this a little backwards. Usually you add the wet ingredients to the dry. My bowls are a little mixed up size-wise.
Either
way, it's all gonna work. We're not perfectionists here. This is real baking. Real people baking.
Real life versus TV life.
Yes. So you get that all mixed together. Then you add 1/4 cup of the chocolate chips.
Or more if you want.
Or more if you're a chocolate lover. And these chocolate chips, I found at Aldi. They are organic. They are dairy-free, soy-free, organic sugar. So they're all allergy-free chocolate chips. So those are a good find. And then I'm using for the cherries, get the cherries from Trader Joe's if you have one in your area. They have tart, unsweetened cherries. So you put those in there, and those just add a little bit of a flavor punch that I think tastes so great, and chocolate and cherries just go together. Mm-hmm. So you mix all that up, and then you put them in the oven, 325 for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. You kind of have to just check them and see when they're brown. The edges are brown.
Okay.
And then, with the magic of TV, drum roll.
Yes. Oh, I knocked myself down.
Here are the yummy cookies.
Ooh.
Whoa. Don't
lose
them on the floor. And they are so good. And this is a recipe that Dr. Connor's daughter, Tori, well, they make them in their family. Yeah. And so this was introduced to us by Dr. Connor. So
they are delicious.
They are really good. We all became addicted to them. And so now we all make these. And they're great for the holidays. Just a good, healthy, clean ingredient treat.
Yes, that sounds great. Okay, I have chocolate chip truffles. So the ingredients are super simple, it blows your mind. There's 3. So I got these cookies, they're soft baked cookies. They are allergy friendly. So some of the main allergy free would be from gluten, wheat, peanuts, and dairy, soy, egg, and fish. Just gonna throw that out there. But they're all, it's free from all of those, very allergy friendly if you have people sensitive to some foods. Then this is an almond milk cream cheese, so dairy free. This is made by Kite Hill. Then we have, these are another option of chocolate chips that you could get. These are just dairy free, gluten, wheat, peanut, soy, egg, and fish.
Fish free. Thank goodness.
There's a few more things on both of these. Those are the main ones. So these are little mini chocolate chips though. Yours are regular size. Yeah, so if you need another option. So these 3 ingredients, I'll just move them aside. So we have the cookies here without spilling them.
Good job.
And then the cream cheese in this bowl. And then you melt the chocolate, or the chocolate chips. So you melt those in here. So you can make this very easy. You just take the cookies and you put them all in the bowl. And then you just mash them up in the cream cheese. So you can make them as small mashed up as you want, or as chunky. You want a chunky one. But, okay. You get them mashed up as much as you'd like, and then you just roll them into balls. You can get those, what are those scoopers called?
Yeah, I think they're just called cookie scoops.
Cookie scoops?
Yeah,
or like
have
an ice cream
little...
scoop maybe?
Yeah, or a small ice cream scoop works the same thing. Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah, maybe even a melon baller.
Yes, that is what I was thinking. Okay.
Because those would make smaller.
Yeah. So these, okay, after you get it all mashed up, I'll just use my hand here. You would use one of those utensils because that makes it look a lot better. These these look like meatballs if you use your hands. Mine did at least. Anyway,
they don't taste like meatballs.
No, and they just are deceiving. Put some sprinkles on top and you won't think they're meatballs. So you just make a little ball, put it in the melted chocolate.
Coat it up.
My chocolate started to dry. So this is why they look like meatballs. Coat it in chocolate and then put it on your plate and you're ready to make another one. And then you just freeze them for about 30 minutes and then you can just set them out and they're ready to eat. Well, before they're frozen, you can sprinkle the sprinkles on top if you would like to. But the magic of TV, here are the finished products. So you can make them big or small. This one's pretty big. Again, they could look a lot smoother if I had that device, but I'm limited on resources. So these are just nice little chocolate truffles, bite-sized.
Yes.
And that is all that's in these. Really simple and easy, and they kind of taste like cookie dough on the inside.
Yeah,
so.
chocolate-covered cookie dough.
Yeah.
They're really good. Yeah. So we hope you enjoyed these recipes. We hope this helps you with your holiday baking. Obviously, there's a lot of other kinds of cookies that you could make. Maybe we'll do another episode with some ginger snap options. So definitely stay tuned for more. Share this with your friends if you found this helpful. We all could use some low sugar options this time of year. And happy holidays. Enjoy the season and stay tuned for next time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.